Good morning children. Welcome you again in LFCS online class. Today we have to do exercises of chapter 3. Let's open your book and open page number 35. Here is first question, take the correct option. Before doing this, put here date and here CW. Write here quotation. Prevention is better than cure. Note this quotation in your book and see first question, take the correct option. The skeleton has dash bones. The skeleton has 206 bones. Right. Do it in your book first. Second question. The dash have a voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are muscles which are under our control. So option is heart, legs, stomach. Answer is legs. Third question. The dash has 12 pairs of ribs. Option is skull, spine, rib cage. Correct option is rib cage. Next question. Dash muscles are found only in the heart. We all know cardiac muscle. Do it. Fifth question. Dash joints is found in our finger. Option is hinge. Because it allow movement only in one direction. Have you done? Now turn over page. Next page here is true or false. Our skull has 22 bones. Skull has 22 bones. It is true. First is true. Second question. Our knee has a pivot joint. Our knee has a pivot joint. It is false. Because pivot joint allow movement in up, down and left, right direction. Third question. Our vertebra has gliding joint. Our vertebra has gliding joint. It is true. Because there are 33 bones which slide each other and make a vertebral column. Next question. There are about 650 muscles in our body. It is correct statement. Fourth is true. See next question. Pivot joint is found between the skull and the spine. Skull and the spine pivot joint पाया जाता है. It is true. Do it in your book. Next is fill in the blanks using the words from the clue box. Here are 5 words in a clue box, that is spine, femur, muscles, skull and joint. Now see first question. Dash protects our brain. Dash protects our brain. हमारे ब्रेन को कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? You all know skull. Write in first skull. Next, a backbone is also called dash. Backbone is also known as spine. Third, dash is the longest bone in the human body. Longest bone is femur. Fourth filler, bones are held together by dash. बोन्स जुड़ी हुई होती हैं किसके द्वारा? मसल्स के द्वारा. फोर्थ इज मसल्स. एंड लास्ट फिलअप, 2 bones meet at a dash. 2 bones meet at a joint. Have you done? Okay. Now chapter 3 is completed. I will send you the PDF of word meaning and question answer of this chapter. You have to write it in your CW copy. Okay. Now see next chapter. Chapter 4, the nervous system. It is the last chapter from our syllabus. ये हमारे फर्स्ट टर्म सिलेबस का लास्ट चैप्टर है, द नर्वस सिस्टम. Open your book, open chapter 4. The nervous system. Let's see the summary of this chapter. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about nervous system of human body. Nervous system is made up of three parts, that is brain, nerves and spinal cord. Children, these three parts makes the nervous system of human body. Human body का nervous system ये तीन part मिलकर के बनाते हैं. So in this chapter we will learn about the brain, parts of brain and spinal cord and nerves. There are three types of nerves present in human body. We are going to study about all three types of nerves. Next topic we will study is reflex action. These actions are very quick and sudden. जब हम किसी हॉट और कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट को टच कर देते हैं तो उस टाइम अचानक से हमारा हैंड डैप हो जाता है. ये एक्शंस जो होते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर. And last topic we will cover is sense organs. Sense organs. You all know there are 5 sense organs in human body. Start chapter 4, the nervous system. Open your book everyone. See page number 38. The nervous system is the main control unit and transmission center of our body. All the functions of our body are controlled by this system. The brain, spinal cord and the nerves are the parts of our nervous system. Student, nervous system जो होता है ये हमारी बॉडी की कंट्रोल यूनिट होती है. हमारे बॉडी को जो भी कंट्रोल करता है वो सारा वर्क किसका होता है? नर्वस सिस्टम का होता है. ये एक मेन कंट्रोल यूनिट होती है ह्यूमन बॉडी की. नर्वस सिस्टम तीन पार्ट से मिलकर के बना हुआ है, ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और नर्व्स. जितने भी फंक्शंस होते हैं ह्यूमन बॉडी में वो सभी नर्वस सिस्टम कंट्रोल करता है. लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम, पेज नंबर 39, ब्रेन. The brain is the main organ of the nervous system. It controls all the body functions and helps us to think, memorize and take decisions. It is placed inside the skull at the top of the spinal cord. The skull protects the delicate organ. The brain is made up of millions of nerves which are closely interconnected with one another. Let's see about brain. Children, brain is the main organ of nervous system. nervous system का जो सबसे मेन ऑर्गन है वो क्या है? ब्रेन है. ब्रेन ही नर्वस सिस्टम को कंट्रोल करता है. सब कुछ इसमें कंट्रोल होता है ब्रेन में. ब्रेन हमारी हेल्प करता है थिंक करने में, सोचने में, मेमोराइज करने में, कोई भी चीज याद करने में, डिसीजन मेकिंग में भी ये हमारी हेल्प करता है. ब्रेन के द्वारा ये तीनों वर्क किए जाते हैं ह्यूमन बॉडी में. मेमोराइज, थिंक एंड डिसीजन, ये तीनों ब्रेन की हेल्प से ही होता है. एंड चिल्ड्रन, ब्रेन हमारे स्कल के अंदर और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के ऊपर अपर में प्रेजेंट होता है. और ये जो स्कल है ये हमारे डेलिकेट ऑर्गन ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करने में हमारी मदद करता है. ओके. And children, brain is made up of millions of nerves. बहुत सारी nerves मिलकर के क्या बनाती हैं? ब्रेन को बनाती हैं. Okay? Let's see next. Brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. ब्रेन के तीन मेन भाग होते हैं. एक फर्स्ट पार्ट होता है सेरिब्रम, सेकंड पार्ट होता है सेरिबेलम और थर्ड पार्ट है मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा. इन तीनों के अलग अलग वर्क भी होते हैं which we will study tomorrow. Okay, now let's note your homework. Learn word meaning of chapter 2. Learn word meaning of chapter 2. Thank थैंक यू क्लास.